In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a degree symbol in Google Docs. This little feature is especially useful when writing temperatures, angles, or any other measurements. It may seem minor, but it really helps make your document look neat and professional. So let's dive right in. To get started, open your Google Doc and place your cursor precisely where you want the degree symbol to appear. For example, if you're typing a temperature like 25 degrees, you'd place the cursor just after the number 25. Positioning your cursor correctly is important because the symbol will be inserted exactly where it's positioned. Next, you'll want to navigate to the top menu bar of your Google document. There you'll find the Insert option. Go ahead and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear, offering a variety of options. From this menu, hover over the Symbols option. Once you do, another drop-down will appear. Click on Special Characters. This step opens up a window filled with all sorts of characters you can't normally find on a standard keyboard. It's quite a useful tool whenever you need to add special symbols or characters to your document. Now let's make this process even smoother. In the Special Characters window, you'll find a search bar. This feature is designed to save you time and effort, especially when you know exactly what you're looking for. Simply type the word degree into this search bar. As soon as you do, the degree symbol, which looks like a small circle, should appear below. Once you spot the degree symbol, all you need to do is click on it. Upon clicking, the degree symbol will be inserted right where your cursor was placed earlier in your document. And just like that, you've successfully added a degree symbol. It's a quick and straightforward trick, yet it adds a layer of professionalism and clarity to your work. And that's all there is to it. You've learned how to easily insert a degree symbol in Google Docs, making your documents not only complete, but also more polished. If this tutorial was helpful and you'd like more simple yet effective tips for using Google Docs, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Your support encourages us to keep creating more content geared towards simplifying your daily tasks. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Until then, take care and happy typing.